Press his foot. You can do it. Press him, honey. Press the foot. Right here. Good girl. Oh, press it again. Oh, hold on. There we go. You stop it, honey. You gotta press it. There you go. You're dancing with him, huh? Off. Turn it on. Press the foot. Press it. Other one. There you go. Good girl. Dance. Yep, dance with the bunny. Did you dance, buddy? You gonna put him on the table? What? Is that the bunny? Is that a bunny? I don't think he can fit in the cup, honey. Yeah? You want this?